Good morning, students. Welcome to English Literature class, and today we will read chapter 12, a poem that is A Snake Named Rover. Mom wouldn't let me have a dog with all the mess they make, so if I couldn't have a dog, I said I would like a snake. My mother gasped quite audibly, but Dad approved the plan. A snake, he gulped, a real live snake. Well, sure, I guess you can. In this poem, a boy is saying that his mother won't allow to have a dog as a pet because they make mess everywhere and untidiness all around the house. Then he had an idea to bring a snake home as a pet, but when mother heard of this idea, she agreed with lot of difficulty. But his father agreed at once. Though father was also very surprised of his son's idea of having a snake as a pet, but still he agreed to it. We went to Ralph's Repulsive Pets and bought a yard of asp. It coiled inside a paper bag held firmly in my grasp. I put him in a big glass tank and dubbed my new pet Rover. Then both of them went to a pet house and bought a yard-long snake, Asp, a small viper snake, and they brought it into their house and kept it in a big glass tank and also named it Rover. But all the fun of owning it was very quickly over, for all he did was flick his tongue once or twice each minute, while nervous mom rechecked the tank to make sure he was in it. But very soon all the fun of owning it was over. It always used to flick its tongue, and mother was very scared of it, and she had to always keep an eye on it to make sure if it is there in the tank or not. Then one fine day, we don't know how, my Rover disappeared. My father told me not to fret, but mom was mighty scared. We searched the house from front to back and gave the yard a sweep. By midnight, we had given up and tried to get some sleep. And finally the day came for which they were really afraid of. The Rover was disappeared from the tank. Mother was very afraid. They all searched the house from front to back, but Rover was not found. And by the midnight, they all gave up and went off to sleep. At 3 a.m., my dad arose to answer nature's call. I heard him scream, I heard him swear, and then I heard him fall. For Dad had found the wayward pet I had given up for dead, curled up inside his sleeper, lying right beside his bed. At 3 o'clock in the morning time, when Dad arose to go to washroom, then the boy heard Dad scream and also heard the sound of falling. Dad had found that stubborn pet. That pet was found. That was curled up inside his sleeper, lying beside his bed. Now, Rover is living back at Ralph's with frogs and mutes and guppies. And now I have a dog named Spot. She will soon be having puppies. And that day only, they returned the rover back to the realms with the other animals like lizard and small fishes and brought a new dog instead of pet Rover and named it Spot. And now they are very happy with their new pet, and soon Spot is going to have puppies. So that's all in this poem. Thank you.